Saturday's a sunny day. A little bit of cloud, which might make it a little cooler to work. This is a plus, but it doesn't look like there's going to be any rain anytime soon. But flashing up over on this side is coming along. And all of the tin was lifted up onto this portion of the roof this morning. So now it's just a matter of tacking it down, which is this is awesome. Maybe we get this done by the end of the day. Now they get about almost half done today. Taking a break for now because the clouds have been disappearing and it's getting really hot up there to work. It's over 90 degrees just in the regular air. It's definitely in 100 plus up there working on that. So either we'll continue when it gets cooler, or we will continue in the morning, maybe Monday. Update, guys broke for lunch and they got a little bit more done after the last break, and they're predicting they might actually have the rest of the tin on and also the rest of the flashing before the day. So hopefully that'd be really good if we could do that. Have it ready for people to see tomorrow when they come for church. It's a nice view actually from here.
Yeah.
Nice view of the rice field. And then one more piece, I think. 2 pieces left there.
One more piece?
Okay, 1.5. So that's the sewage right underneath.
Huh?
That's like 6 feet down, right? 6 or 8 feet straight down.
Yeah.
Cement over top. So that's where the toilets will be and the sewage will go underneath there.
Tatalon.
Ito yan. Simento yan. Matibay yan.
Tatalon. Ayoko, 6
So this,
feet.
Hindi, simento yan. Matibay yan.
we're getting there, almost done. Technically, even though they're not done the last piece on the outside, the roof is now covering the whole building. So we're not raining here. We're raining here now.
Let's go here.
Where do you want to go?
Here.
Outside?
No.
Let's walk under the ladder.
Go here.
Good thing I'm not suspicious.
I
Superstitious.
want to go up the ladder.
Are you sure you want to go up the ladder?
Yeah, but that's startling me.
I will hold the ladder.
Ouch.
Careful.
There's ants.
Yeah. There's probably ants and all sorts of things.